Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, and with me today is Zoe. Hi, Zoe. How are you today?
Hi, Riz. I'm great, thank you. A bit sleepy, though. I woke up early today.
Oh, really? That's perfect, because today we're talking about something everyone does, our daily routine. We'll learn how to talk about your day in English. Ready, Zoe?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the morning. Zoe, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I hit the snooze button because I'm still sleepy.
I think many people do that. So let's teach our listeners some key phrases. Everyone, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you try.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. You can also say, I get up at 7:30. Wake up means you open your eyes. Get up means you leave the bed.
Oh, that's a good point. I usually get up around 7:15, not exactly 7.
Perfect. After you get up, what do you do next?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. These are very common phrases for morning routines. Then what, Zoe?
Then I make breakfast. Usually I have eggs and toast or cereal and milk.
That sounds nice. I usually drink coffee and eat fruit in the morning.
Everyone repeat. I have breakfast.
Good. You can also say, I eat breakfast. Both are correct.
What time do you start work, Riz?
I start work at 9 a.m., so I leave home around 8:30.
I usually start work at 8, so I leave earlier than you.
Great example. Listeners, say, I leave home at 8:30. Or, I go to work at 9.
Let's talk about how to describe your commute, how you go to work or school. Riz, how do you go to work?
I go to work by car. It takes about 15 minutes.
I go to work by bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
Nice. So we can say, I go to work by bus. I go to school by car. Or, I walk to school. Repeat after me. I go to work by bus. I walk to school. Excellent.
I usually listen to music or scroll through my phone on the bus.
Me too. I like to listen to podcasts, especially English ones.
Good one. You should listen to Riz.English Channel podcasts.
Exactly. And if you're listening now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this channel and help others learn English.
Yes, sharing this podcast helps more people practice and speak English confidently.
Now, let's move to the next part, your work or school routine. Zoe, what do you do at work?
I'm a teacher, so I teach students. I also check homework and prepare lessons.
Great. So you can say, I work from 9 to 5. Or, I study from 8 to 3. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I work from 9 to 5. I study from 8 to 3.
What about you, Riz? What's your work routine?
I start work at 9 a.m. I check emails, attend meetings, and talk with my team. Then I take a short break around 11.
Do you have lunch at work?
Yes, I usually have lunch around 1 p.m. I like to eat rice and chicken or sometimes a sandwich.
Me too. I eat lunch at 12:30. After lunch, I drink tea or coffee. It helps me stay awake.
That's a good idea. Everyone, repeat. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I drink coffee after lunch. Very nice.
After lunch, I go back to work. I have meetings and finish my tasks. Then I finish work at 5 p.m.
Perfect. So, we can say, I finish work at 5 o'clock. I leave the office at 5. I go home at 6. Repeat after me. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Sometimes I go shopping after work, or I meet my friends for coffee.
Nice. I go shopping after work. I meet my friends after work. These are great daily life phrases.
Do you go to the gym, Riz?
Yes, I do. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I usually go in the evening.
Wow, that's good. I should do that too.
You can start with 1 day a week. Everyone, repeat. I go to the gym in the evening. Good job.
After work, I usually go home. I get home around 6 p.m. I rest for a while, watch TV, or read a book.
Nice. You can say, I get home at 6. I watch TV. I read a book. Very useful daily phrases.
Sometimes I cook dinner. I like to try new recipes.
That's fun. I cook dinner too. I usually make something simple, pasta or rice.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen and relax. Sometimes I talk with my family.
That's lovely. Let's practice. I cook dinner. I clean the kitchen. I talk with my family. Good job, everyone.
After that, I watch some TV shows or study English before bed.
That's great, Zoe. Studying English every day helps you improve faster.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day helps a lot.
Now, what time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m., but sometimes I sleep late if I watch a movie.
I do that too. So you can say, I go to bed at 10:30, or I sleep at 11. Repeat after me. I go to bed at 10:30.
Before bed, I brush my teeth, check my phone, and plan for the next day.
That's a good habit. You can say, I brush my teeth before bed. I plan my next day. Great job, everyone.
Okay, Riz, can we review everything together?
Of course. Let's practice a full daily routine. I'll say it slowly. You repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9. I eat lunch at 1. I finish work at 5. I go home and cook dinner. I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at 10:30. Well done. Now, Zoe, can you tell us your daily routine in short?
Sure. I wake up at 7. I take a shower, have breakfast, and go to work by bus. I start work at 8, teach my students, and eat lunch at 12:30. I finish work at 5, go shopping or meet friends, then go home, cook dinner, and relax. I go to bed at 10:30.
That's excellent. And you, dear listeners, now it's your turn. Can you talk about your daily routine in English? Try recording yourself and practice every day. So today, we learned how to talk about our daily routines. We practiced phrases like, I wake up at 7. I go to work by bus. I eat lunch at 1. I go to bed at 10.
Yes, and we also learned new verbs like wake up, get up, brush, cook, clean, relax, all very useful for everyday life.
That's right. Keep practicing every day. The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
And don't forget, if you enjoy learning with us, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz Channel. It really helps others learn and improve their English too.
Exactly. Together, we can help more people speak English with confidence.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode. Take care and keep practicing your English every day.